Hello. For this video, we'll talk about common illnesses and symptoms. Let's go right into it. Cold, flu, allergy, asthma, pneumonia, sinusitis, migraine, diabetes, hypertension, hypotension, arthritis, osteoporosis, anemia, heart disease, stroke, appendicitis, food poisoning, gastritis, ulcer, hepatitis, kidney stones, urinary tract infection, chickenpox, measles, bumps, tuberculosis, COVID-19, ear infection, conjunctivitis, eczema, dengue fever, malaria, depression, anxiety disorder, fever, cough, sneezing, runny nose, stuffy nose, sore throat, headache, migraine, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, fatigue, weakness, dizziness, fainting, shortness of breath, chest pain, muscle pain, joint pain, back pain, stomach ache, abdominal pain, swelling, rash, itching, chills, sweating, loss of appetite, weight loss, weight gain, blurred vision, double vision, earache, toothache, dry mouth, hoarse voice, difficulty swallowing, bleeding, bruising, numbness, tingling, insomnia, dehydration, loss of taste, loss of smell, rapid heartbeat. And that's it for this video. Please share, like, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Happy learning.